Pre-sales demo software is a category of tools that help sales engineers and solution consultants build, share, and analyze interactive product demos without rebuilding them for every deal. This video covers what pre-sales demo software is, how it compares across the different tools on the market that you might have seen, and what changes for your team when you start using this software. Just a heads up, we built Supademo exactly for this use case, so you're going to see it come up again and again on the screen throughout the video. Now, pre-sales demo software does four things. Firstly, it captures your live product as an interactive walkthrough, usually through a Chrome extension. It lets you edit the walkthrough you record on that Chrome extension without pulling in an engineer to help you. You can swap out logos or text, you can change numbers, and you can hide sensitive information. It also makes the demo shareable in something like a link or an embed code you can put on a landing page. Likewise, on the back end, it tracks engagement and connects to your CRM so you can follow up and see who's watching those demos. Now, this category includes several tools like Supademo, Reprise, DemoStack, Consensus, Walnut, Salio, Novatic, Storyline, just to name a few. They all differ on price, the fidelity of the recording that they make, and who their target buyer is. But the core capability that they do is very similar. Your team probably needs pre-sale demo software if any of these apply to you. Your sales engineers are running more than 2 intro demos every week. Your account executives are asking for custom demos shortly before the demo happens. Your product ships fast enough that the demos you did record become out of date fast. And lastly, buyers want to see the product before they get on a discovery call. So you might ask whether pre-sales demo software is just another digital sales room or a fancier version of Loom. It's neither, and let me explain why. Digital sales room tools like MindTickle, Trumpet, or Aligned, they're buyer-side hubs. They collect pricing decks, PDFs, and other documents that you want to put into one space and then hand to the buyer. Pre-sales demo software sits inside of the digital sales room. Likewise, screen recording videos like Loom or Vidyard are point solutions built to send videos to prospects or customers. Now, full sandbox environments that you might come across like Reprise or DemoStack replicate your live product end to end. They're a high fidelity tool and they take a while to set up, and the price is going to reflect that. They're going to be the right choice for really complex and technical evaluations that you might have, but for most teams, they're probably going to be overkill. Pre-sales demo software sits in the middle of all of this. They're faster than a sandbox environment to build. They're more interactive than a video, and they're built specifically for sales engineers and their workflows. Now, 4 things will change when your team starts to use pre-sales demo software. The first is that you stop running the same demo every week. Buyers can now self-serve the basics of your product by using an interactive demo that you put on your homepage or send in an intro email. They do this before they ever book a call with an account executive, so when they do get on a call, they're further down the funnel and more likely to have a serious conversation. Secondly, your follow-ups actually get watched. Now, instead of a Loom video that might get watched at 2x speed, you can send an interactive product demo. This demo will include analytics to show who watched it and how far along they got. So when the AE does in fact get on a call with a prospect, they know exactly where the conversation left off. Thirdly, one sales engineer can now support multiple AEs, and the best demo that they make can become a template for the entire team to personalize. So sales engineers stop being the bottleneck for every deal that touches the product. Lastly, the demos that you do make stay current. When your product ships, you just go back in and recapture the affected screen, which will only take a couple of minutes instead of having to rebuild the entire walkthrough. Okay, so we've talked a lot about pre-sales demo software in this video, but if you actually want to get started building interactive product demos, you can find a link in the description to Supademo where we have a free plan. You can get started building your first demos in 7 days, and whatever demos you create, whether you become a customer or not, we'll never delete them. Just download the Chrome extension to get started, and you'll be well on your way.